On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping,
10 lords a-leaping,
9 ladies dancing,
8 maids a-milking,
7 swans a-swimming,
6 geese a-laying,
honk!
5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
hello,
3 French hens,
2 turtle doves,
and a partridge in a pear tree. I thought we were supposed to have our costumes on tonight.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge